In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload files to Google Forms. Start by opening the Google form you want to edit. Make sure you are in the form editor where you can see your existing questions and the floating toolbar on the right side. To add a new question, click the plus or plus sign icon in that floating sidebar. This inserts a fresh question block into your form, and it is where you will set up file uploads. Next, go to the question type dropdown at the top of the new question. By default, it often shows something like multiple choice. Click that dropdown and select File Upload. As soon as you choose File Upload, Google Forms will display an important message explaining what is about to happen. You will see a notice that uploaded files are stored in your Google Drive. It will also tell you that respondents must sign in with a Google account in order to upload files. This is a normal requirement for file uploads, and it helps Google keep track of who submitted what and where the files should be saved. Read the message so you understand the sign-in requirement, then click Continue to confirm and create the file upload question. Once the file upload question is added, you can customize the limits based on what you want people to submit. If you only want certain kinds of files, turn on the setting for allowing only specific file types. This is useful when you need consistent submissions, like PDFs for documents, images for photos, or spreadsheets for data. After that, set the maximum number of files each respondent can upload. You can choose a single file or allow multiple files, such as 5 or 10 depending on your needs. Keep the task simple for respondents by allowing only as many files as necessary. Finally, choose the maximum file size. You will see options ranging from 1 megabyte up to 10 gigabytes. Select a limit that matches what you expect people to upload, and keep in mind that larger limits can fill up storage faster. Once those settings are in place, your Google form is ready to collect file uploads in an organized way. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.